Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple but super useful trick that every TradingView user should know: how to save your favorite indicators so they're always right at your fingertips. If you've ever found yourself searching for the same indicators over and over again, or if you want to streamline your charting routine, stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to quickly save, organize, and access your go-to indicators in TradingView. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your TradingView chart the same way you usually would when doing your technical analysis. Now, up on the top bar, you'll spot an Indicators button. Give that a click. This is your main gateway to all the studies, strategies, and tools TradingView has to offer. Now, let's say RSI, the Relative Strength Index, is the indicator you use the most. Instead of scrolling and searching for it every single time, let's make it easier. In the search bar within the Indicators window, just type RSI. You'll notice TradingView shows you a list of matching indicators, and usually the official built-in version pops up at the top. Here, where the magic happens. Instead of adding it directly to your chart right away, I want you to just hover your mouse over the RSI indicator in that list. As you let your cursor rest there for a moment, you'll notice a small star icon appearing to the right of the indicator name. This is the Favorites button. Think of it just like bookmarking a page in your browser. Go ahead and click that star. Don't worry if nothing flashy happens. It's a subtle change, but it makes a pretty big difference in how quickly you'll be able to access this indicator in the future. Once you've favorited your indicator, you can close the Indicators window. No need to keep it open. What you've just done is sort of like putting your favorite spice right at the front of your kitchen rack. Next time, you won't need to rummage around. Let's test it out. Go back to the Indicators button and click it again to reopen the list. Right away, you'll see a new section appear towards the top called Favorites, or you'll notice the little star highlighting your chosen RSI indicator. That means it worked. The RSI is now saved in your favorites, making it so much quicker to find. Instead of searching or scrolling, it'll always be there at the top of your indicator list, ready to go. And remember, you can repeat this for as many indicators as you'd like. Maybe you use MACD, Bollinger Bands, or moving averages often. Just give them a star too, and your most used tools will always be one click away. If you ever want to remove something from your favorites, just click the star again to unselect it. And that's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've saved yourself time and made your TradingView experience smoother and more efficient. Don't worry if it takes a couple tries to get into the habit. It's a small tweak, but trust me, it adds up, especially if you do a lot of technical analysis. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about TradingView or want to know about other features, just let me know in the comments below. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!